In this video, I'll be showing you how you can hide your followers and people you follow on Spotify. It's very simple and easy. So after doing this, people hopping on your profile can't see people you follow and people that follow you on Spotify. So to do this, just tap on your profile. You can see that at the top left corner of your screen. So after tapping on that, let's move to our settings and privacy. So you tap on that, and now let's scroll up a bit and we see privacy and social. Let's open that. Good. And on this page, we scroll to the bottom. The profile visibility, followers and following. On your profile, people can see who is following you and who you are following. You get it? So if you turn that on, it means you are going to allow them to, see people you are following and people that are following you too as well. So if you turn it off, you make it private. So that's it on how you can hide people you are following and people that are following you on your Spotify page or your Spotify profile. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I think I have all that tutorials on how you can hide songs you listen to and artists you play their songs on your profile too as well. You can check that out on my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.